Hello everyone, I'm Arthur and today I have a BMW 5F11 in for repairs. After the accident, the car looks pretty rough, but after the initial inspection, we found that the frame rails are in place and all the structural elements are intact. In general, we only need to replace the exterior parts. The owner of the car is lucky. He found parts that match the color of the car. He replaced the radiator support with the radiators and installed a whole hood. I just need to replace the fenders, headlights and align all the gaps. I think the work won't take long, so I'm starting the parts replacement. For convenience, I removed the lock hinges. The front end is disassembled, and the first thing I'll do is check if the radiator support is positioned correctly. The radiator support is installed well. The diagonals and height are the same. First, I'm installing the fenders and aligning the gaps with the hood and the doors. Now I'm carefully installing the bumper, and I'll check how it fits. The gaps are good and even, but the edge of the bumper is a bit higher than the hood. Let's adjust it. Now I'm taking off the bumper and installing all the parts in the front. That's it. That's it. My work is done. This job took 8 hours. That's all for today. This was Arturo. Subscribe to my new videos. Goodbye.